Everyone, this is Tanvi back with another Linux desktop customization video, and today I'll show you how to customize your Ubuntu 25.10 desktop. And I hope you like this customization, so let's just start. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need is the project file. You can find the link of this project file down in the description of this video. Go ahead and extract the zip file and then go inside the project file and then right click on an empty space inside the project file and open a terminal, and then I'm going to run this script called script.sh. So let's go ahead and make it executable first. So I'm going to type chmod +x script.sh and then type /script.sh. To run the script, type my password, press enter, and this will start installing all of the packages that we will need to customize the desktop. So it contains all the packages. I mean not all the packages, but all the commands to install the packages. Alright, let's go ahead and open up this download links text file and then open the browser and simply copy and paste these links into the browser and then download the themes. So I will simply copy and paste them one by one. So this is for the font. Okay, then go ahead and go to this Graphbox themes page and then click on files and then download the dark theme. So I will first download the theme with the border, and then I will download another dark theme for the borderless, and I will actually test out both of them. Now let's go to the icons page and download the Graphbox icons pack. And once I've done that, let's go and download the fonts. And finally download Evolve Core. So I will use this application to change the themes. So press Y here and press enter. Alright, let's go ahead and open a new window and then select show hidden files, and you will find two folders with named .icons and .themes. So I'll go to .icons first and then I will extract the icon pack that I've just downloaded. Wait for it to finish extracting, and then inside that folder drag and drop them to .icons, and then I will do the same. I will simply extract all of these downloaded themes zip files one by one. I can simply double click to unzip and then delete the zip files, and then I will go to .themes and drag and drop the themes folders inside the .themes. And after that, let's go ahead and install the fonts one by one. So click on install, press enter in the terminal, then install this font. These are the fonts that I have just downloaded. Okay guys, so after I have installed the fonts, let's go to the terminal and wait for it to finish its work. So the script is still running, so let's just wait for it to finish. Alright guys, so this is done. I can close the terminal and then go inside the evolve core folder and then open up the evolve core application, and then I will simply change the themes from here. So I will select the global theme and then the GTK themes. And then I will change the icon pack from here as well. Okay, so once I've done this, let's go ahead and restart. Okay guys, so after I restarted, let's go to .config and then Conky, and then here right click on empty space and open a terminal. Now remember guys, you have to right click on an empty space inside that folder, and we did the same with our project file as well, so don't forget that. Now let's run the script to run the Conky, which is this one, change Conky 22.sh. And as you can see that it has applied the Conky theme. Now let's go ahead and change the wallpaper. And right click on the desktop and then click on, just simply hide the home icon on the desktop. Now let's go ahead and go to extension manager, and from here I will install some extensions. So go to browse and then install these extensions. So I will first install app grid button, click on install. Then I will search for app icons taskbar, click on install, then search for battery time, then search for battery time with percentage, and after that blur my shell, then install this one, current workspace name, then I will install QE, click on install. Now let's install transparent top bar. So install this one, transparent top bar, adjustable transparency. Now install user themes. And then vshell. Alright, so once I've installed all these extensions, let's go to my project file and right click on empty space again, just like I did at the beginning of this video, and open a terminal and then simply run this script /restore gnome settings .sh. Press enter and this will apply the settings for the extensions. Okay. I'll go to extension manager, and from here I will turn on user themes, and then I will select the theme over here. So this is for the border one, and I will actually, let's change the icon back, and I will actually apply the one which is without the border, the borderless dark graph box theme, and then simply adjust the transparency to 0 for the panel, top panel, I mean the top bar. Now let's search for menu editor, and then from this application I can actually change the icon of, actually I can change the icon of any application I want. So I'm gonna change the icon for Firefox, and I'm going to change the icon for a few more applications. Alright guys, so once I've done that, go to my browser and I will actually search for Graphbox wallpapers, and I will download some wallpapers for the Graphbox theme. Now let's apply the wallpaper, and this looks pretty good. Now let's go to extension manager and go to app icons taskbar, and from here simply deselect show favorite apps. So this way it will only show the active apps at the top bar. And actually turn off the grid button. Go to Ubuntu dock, and let's go ahead and do some tweaking here. So I can make it a dock or a panel, and I can actually change the size of the icons from here. Now let's go to Conky manager, and from here I will select weather.conf, and then click on this folder icon, and it will take me to the config folder for the weather, and open up the .conf file, weather.conf file, and from here I can actually change the color for the weather. And currently I made it white, but you can actually change it to this color, which suits our Groovebox theme that we have here. And I can do the same for the clock as well. So I can open up the clock.conf file, and then as you can see it is white right now. So I can change the color. I can simply copy and paste this line over here before the font selection, and it will actually apply that color to my clock as well. Now let's open up the terminal and do some customization for our terminal. So go to preferences, and I will select this preset for the terminal, and after that simply restart. So after I restart it, as you can see that it's not showing the Conky themes. So to fix that, let's open up Conky manager and then select this gear icon, and then select it run Conky at the startup, and then select all of these Conky themes from Conky manager to run the Conky themes on my desktop. And that is basically it, guys. Now finally I'm going to install fish. So for that, open up the terminal and then copy and paste these lines, which you can find inside the project file in a text editor, in a text file. Simply copy and paste these lines inside the terminal. And this final line will actually save the changes. So as you can see, that it is showing me some error. That is because NeoFetch is not installed in the system. So I can simply remove this NeoFetch line and then save it, the fish greeting, and yeah. So this is the fish, guys, the autocomplete feature for the fish, which is actually pretty convenient. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this customization, and thank you so much for getting the membership. Thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate this, guys. If you got the membership, you're gonna have access to all of the files that I've already uploaded and I will be uploading in the future. So there will be more customizations coming up soon. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate this, and I will see you in the next video.